Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, the installation of gypsum ceiling is about to start, and then this is the blue line. As you can see, we are tapping the line. We are tapping the line, as you can see. Tapping the line. We have done the water level. We have done the water level, as you can see. We have done the water level. There's the level. So we took the level to up. As you can see. Foundation is about to start. As you can see, we have our materials. We have materials ready. This is suspended wire. This is suspended wire. This is suspended wire. It cannot rust. It cannot rust. And then we have the gypsum ceiling. We have this gypsum ceiling. This is imported ceiling. Imported ceiling. Imported ceiling. Imported ceiling. We have the accessory. We have the accessory. We have the 2 feet. We have the 4 feet. We have the main runner. We have the main runner. The wall angle is here. This is the wall angle. It's in 3 meters. You can see. We have the wall angle. We have the wall angle. So you can see we have done the water level. Like I said, here is the line for the second hall. You can see the line. You can see we have put one angle on the line. As you can see, colors will give you a nice job, and our price is affordable. You can see we are at Peru in Ogun State, Nigeria. Peru. We're based in Lagos, but we work outside Lagos. As you can see, the carpenter is here with us, making the bench. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe. Fọkànbalẹ̀, àníkò ẹ lọ fọkànbalẹ̀. Hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening based on where you are watching us from. My name is Abiodun James. This is gypsum ceiling installation, suspended ceiling. As you can see, the installation still ongoing. Here in Peru, Ogun State, Nigeria. As you can see, we're almost done. We're almost done. You can see the perfection. Very lovely design for your residential apartments, warehouse, office. Very lovely design. We have the best finishing. And our price is affordable. This is so lovely. See the straightness. You can see the straightness. You can call for your church design, mosque, warehouse, office. Can also be used for residential apartments. We need of cotton. Wow, this is lovely. We have the perfection, as you can see. fire will definitely convince you. As you can see, fire will convince you. It's a nice design. It is water and fire resistance. This is the face. This is the face. It's fire and water resistant, and this is the back view. This is the back view. Installation is in progress. Installation is in progress.